Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming you have a USB-C plug assembly that accepts data lines and a small Ethernet controller board, plus an RJ45 jack and Cat6 lead. Strip the cable, jack it about 1/2 inch and expose 4 twisted pairs, separate and trimmed to length. Identify USB-C pins and where the controller maps USB 3, X or USB 2, 0 signals to the Ethernet chipset. Once done, position the controller board and jack so solder joints will be short and strain relieved. Now you wire the controller to both the USB-C plug and the RJ45 jack. Solder super speed and full speed pairs according to the controller's pin labels. You must preserve pair integrity and correct polarity so signals remain balanced. Crimp or solder the Cat6 pairs to the RJ45 with correct 568B orientation or per the controller's mapping. Make sure grounds and V-bus are solid. Add heat shrink over joints and anchor a strain relief so movement won't break the soldered connections. Test continuity before enclosure. Finish by testing continuity and then plugging the assembly into a laptop and a switch. The OS should show a network interface once the controller enumerates. If it links, enclose the board and connectors in a case, secure with screws or hot glue, and add strain relief and labeling. If you don't get a link, first recheck the USB-C CC resistor or configuration, then confirm each twisted pair is correctly terminated and not split. Most failures come from miswired pairs or poor solder joints.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.